Science 10 educational videos. The moon for the little astronauts.
Sister, I want to become an astronaut. I wish to go to moon. Could you tell me what is moon?
Good. A moon is basically a big rock that travels in circles around a planet, just like a planet orbits the sun. Moons are smaller than the planet they orbit and have a rocky surface. Some planets have many moons, but our planet Earth has only one, and we simply refer to it as the moon.
Is the moon orbits Earth? How long it takes for a moon to finish one full trip around Earth?
The moon travels in circles around Earth. We call that orbiting. Earth is also moving through space, and it orbits the sun. It takes the moon around 27 days to make one full trip around Earth. The moon is not very fast. It travels at a speed of 1 kilometer per second. That is slower than a person jogging.
Which one is the oldest, Earth or moon?
All the planets in the solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. And while the moon is slightly younger than Earth, they are pretty close to having the same age. From our point of view, the moon seems to be about the same size as the sun in the sky. This is why when there's a solar eclipse, the moon can block out the sun. The moon is much closer to us than the sun, so it appears to be larger. In reality, the sun is almost 400 times bigger than the moon in diameter.
Can humans breathe on moon?
Humans can't breathe on the moon. The moon has air and an atmosphere, but it is too weak and has a very different composition than the air on Earth. As a result, astronauts have to bring their own oxygen to breathe on the moon.
Pictures of the moon looks like that its surface made of cheese.
The moon is definitely not made out of cheese, as the saying goes. It is made of various types of rocks and metals for the most part. But one cool fact about the moon is that its surface is made out of asteroid dust.
Does the moon shine?
The moon doesn't shine. The moon looks so bright at night, but the moon doesn't shine, and it doesn't make light of its own. The moon looks bright because it reflects the light from the sun. The sunlight hits the moon at different angles depending on where they are both positioned. Sometimes only certain parts of the moon reflect it.
Is there any evidence of the water in the moon?
In recent years, NASA has confirmed that there is water on the moon. Most of it is beneath the surface and is frozen. 12 astronauts have gone to the moon. The first person to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. After Neil, 11 other astronauts have walked on the moon, and all of them as part of the Apollo program. The last of these astronauts was Harrison Schmitt. As far as we know, Earth is the only place in the solar system that supports life. There is no evidence that suggests that there could be life on the moon. However, that is no reason to stop studying the moon. It still has a lot to teach us, and it will be very important to the future of space.
Bye, future astronauts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.